Are an Amazon rainforest bird in its natural habitat. This is a video on the biodiversity of rainforest birds in the Amazon. How important are the interactions between birds and their environment and other organisms? Look at this exotic bird with this cobra. I mean panther. Watch as this bird feeds on a koala bear.
I'm much happier when people don't mess with my environment.
Look at this strong tree. When logging occurs in or near areas, birds are severely affected. Look at this yellow mosquito. When loggers cut down trees, many insects die. Watch as this bird is subject of starvation. She's not eaten in days.
So hungry.
Rainforest birds don't like to cross paths where roads have been built.
Cars are not my friends. I don't like to fly over them either.
Amazon rainforest birds like being surrounded by more forests and habitat. They do not like being surrounded by clearings. Animals are much happier when their habitats are not messed with. Stop the logging, stop the habitat fragmentation, stop all of this nonsense.
I'm happy with my natural environment. Please don't take it away from me.
Bird is down.